The Lost Princess and the Mystic Labyrinth in the Kingdom of Aurelia. Nestled between towering mountains and sprawling forests, there lived a princess named Seraphina, whose beauty was matched only by her adventurous spirit. Seraphina, with eyes as bright as the morning sun and a heart as pure as crystal, longed for excitement beyond the castle walls. One fateful day, while exploring the royal library, Seraphina stumbled upon a dusty tome hidden within the shadows. A book of ancient legends and forgotten lore. Among its pages lay the tale of the mystic labyrinth, a maze of magic and mystery, said to hold the key to untold treasures and forbidden knowledge. Driven by curiosity and a thirst for adventure, Seraphina embarked on a quest to uncover the secrets of the mystic labyrinth. Accompanied by her loyal companion, a spirited fox named Luna. Their journey led them through enchanted forests, across shimmering rivers, and into the heart of the labyrinth itself. A maze of twisting passages and hidden chambers, where danger lurked around every corner and secrets lay waiting to be revealed. As they delved deeper into the labyrinth's depths, Seraphina and Luna encountered a host of mythical creatures. Sprites that danced on beams of moonlight, guardians that prowled the shadows, and wise old sages who spoke in riddles and rhymes. Each encounter brought them closer to the heart of the labyrinth, where a final challenge awaited. A test of courage, wit, and the strength of their bond. Guided by Luna's keen instincts and Seraphina's unwavering determination, they navigated the labyrinth's maze, solving puzzles and unraveling mysteries that had lain dormant for centuries. But as they drew closer to their goal, they found themselves ensnared by the labyrinth's magic, a web of illusions and enchantments that threatened to trap them forever. In their darkest hour, when all hope seemed lost, Seraphina discovered the key to breaking free. The power of her own heart, her love for Luna, and the courage to face the unknown. With a leap of faith and a whispered prayer, Seraphina and Luna emerged from the labyrinth's depths, their spirits unbroken and their bond stronger than ever before. As they returned to the Kingdom of Aurelia, they carried with them not only the treasures they had discovered, but also the wisdom gained from their journey. The knowledge that true adventure lies not in the destination, but in the journey itself, and that the greatest treasure of all is the love and friendship we hold dear. And so, the tale of the lost princess and the mystic labyrinth echoed through the halls of Aurelia, inspiring all who heard it to seek adventure, embrace the unknown, and follow their hearts wherever they may lead. As the echoes of the lost princess